students, my today's topic is questions on expansion using identities. There is question number 1. Identities means ID1, ID2 and ID3 we have read before. Now question number 1, expand w minus 1 over 3e whole square. In this expression, fraction term is involved. Doesn't matter, we can write down this 1 over 3e as e over 3 as well, the same thing. Okay, yeah, here is some rough work. In question number 1, just to tell you what is the data you have to follow. In question number 1, a is equal to w and b is equal to 1 by 3e. And minus sign and whole square is indicating towards a perfect square, and ID2, which is a minus b whole square, is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is the expansion and this is the closed form of ID2. We call it ID2 because in sequence it comes after first ID, which is a plus b whole square. So you can say this expression resembles with this side a minus b whole square of ID2, and a and b are equal to this. Now we will expand w minus 1 by 3 whole square, keeping in our mind or looking at this expansion which we have written in the rough column. Now what is a? Our a is w. So first term would be a square, means w square, minus, look up, 2ab means 2w, 2 multiplied by w multiplied by 1 by 3e. 2ab means 2 multiplied by a multiplied by b. So we will multiply ab in this form with 2 here, like this. Okay, plus third term is b square. So what is b over here? B is 1 by 3e or e over 3. So we will write down 1 by 3e whole square as b square. Okay, I think it's clear to you all. Open first term, which is very simple. W whole square means w square, single term, single letter, minus 2ab. Okay, I have written here, look at this, 2ab as a rough work. 2 multiplied by 1 by 3 first. First of all, I picked up numbers 2 and 1 by 3 because all terms, all figures, all alphabets are being multiplied. So let the alphabets together, let them be together and bring 1 by 3 means fraction and number, numeral things together. So 2 multiplied by 1 by 3, w multiplied by e, write down all these things like this. It would be easy for you to simplify them. 2 multiplied by 1 by 3 will be 2 over 3 and we as it is along with it because they are being multiplied. We will write the multiplied factor, multiplied alphabets. The alphabets which are being multiplied, we write them without these multiplicative signs like this. When we don't write any sign between two figures, the two alphabets, it means these are being multiplied. So 2 by 3 multiplied by w multiplied by e, it is 2ab. It is our 2ab overall. So we will write it down over here with negative sign, as with minus, with the midterm minus sign is coming. With 2ab minus sign is coming. So minus 2ab would be 2 over 3 we plus 1 by 3 whole square. Write it in rough column if you can't do it directly. So I have told you 1 over 3e can be written like e over 3 whole square, and e over 3 square means e over 3 is being multiplied with e over 3 two times. So e over 3 multiplied by e over 3 is power 1 is power 1. It is understood. If you don't write it down, doesn't matter. If you write it down, doesn't matter. But in starting examples, starting questions, I will write it down, but later when you will be experienced enough, I won't. Now whenever you have an alphabet without anything over here, without any power, it means its power is 1. It is understood. So I have mentioned it over here. E multiplied by e square. 3 multiplied by 3, 9. Fractions are multiplied like this if there is nothing being cancelled out. If no term, no number is being cancelled out, so we just multiply upper term with the upper and lower term with the lower, and we will get this form as b square. E square over 9 will be b square, right? So we have expand w minus 1 by 3 e whole square using ID2's right hand side and got this answer. This is expansion. This is expanded form of this w minus 1 by 3 e whole square. Got it? Come to question number 2. Expand w plus 2 into w minus 2. Two factors are given to you with different signs. Terms are same, only this sign and this sign are different, and expressions are written in the form of factors. When there are two consecutive brackets and there is no sign between, we say the term is given in the form of factors. Expand these two factors now. You can easily judge with which ID these two factors are being resembled. This is ID3 and this is the left hand side of ID3. We will go towards right hand side. It is very understood, students. If you have left hand side of some ID, you will go towards right hand side, and if you have right hand side of some ID, you will go towards left hand side, and that would be according to the question. If simply it is said expand this, you will multiply, but I have told you before, I have given you these instructions. Here we are using IDs, expansion using identities. So this is our requirement. We will use identities. We will not go with simple multiplication. Okay, using ID3. Look at this. ID3 is left hand side a plus b into a minus b is equal to first term square plus into minus minus second term square. Very simple. Here the sketch is also present. You can follow it in this video, and you should retain it in your mind so that in next videos you can do it directly without any sketch. Now look at this. W plus v and w minus v is written over here. How we will apply second ID? First term will be multiplied by with first term, and second term will be multiplied by second term. This is direct way, and this is the way how to use ID. And plus sign will be multiplied by minus. You know well, when plus is multiplied by minus, we get minus. And w into w, w square, v into v, v square. Here, when we are using ID3, we will do it and we will try to learn it like this. Mathematics cannot be learned. This could be understood, but here we will just learn these steps, how we will go to the result, because here we are not doing multiplication in detail. We are using ID3's right hand side, which is a square minus b square. So I am just telling you what is happening over with the help of these pictures, right? It's very simple. A is W, B is 2. Here A is W in question number 2 and B is 2. So we will write down, we will replace A by W and we will replace B by 2 and take their square and write a minus sign between them. This is ID 3. Very simple. W square minus 2 square means 2 2s are 4. 2 square means 2 multiplied by 2. This is 4. And this thing, for your memory, how we got this result. This is only to know how we will get this result without doing multiplication directly. Don't do this, don't fix second bracket and don't open it and don't do that method, because we are using identities, and for that identity is the third ID, which is difference of two square, is very easy, very simple. All right, you will just take alphabet at the place A and the alphabet at the place B and multiply plus sign with minus and get the result. Okay, I think it's very simple. Everything is clear to you. I hope now you people are clear with it. We will do further work on the same IDs in next video. I hope this sketch is not bothering you. If you will try to retain it, you will never forget how to use ID 3. Okay students, please don't forget to like my videos and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.